we will discuss what is C language. C language is a general purpose, procedural oriented programming language developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs, which is mostly used with Unix operating system. C is most widely used computer programming language, which is also very secure. Let's discuss features of C language. Here you can find the list of features like low-level language support, portability, powerful bit manipulation, high-level features, modular programming, efficient use of pointers. Let me explain you a basic program called as Hello World program. Here you can see hash include stdio.h, which is a file which we need to include in every program, which contains some predefined functions let's called as printf, scanf, etc. Here you can see int main and printf function, which will be printing hello world as the output. Now let me explain the previous program step by step and its use. First we have hash include stdio.h. With this line of code we include a file called stdio.h. This file lets us use certain commands for input or output, which we can use in our program. For example, we have used printf and scanf in a program. Without including that file, we cannot use printf and scanf functions in our programs. And the next line what we have is int main. The int is what is called the return value. As we are return 0 in a function, then we need to mention as int. We have other data type as well, like double, void, etc., that we can use it. Two curly braces need to be used after the main function, which marks the beginning and end of the group or a function. Once after the curly braces is opened after the main function, we have written printf and hello world in it. The printf function is which is used for printing something on a screen. If you want to print something string, then we need to close that in quotation marks, inverted commas that we need to use. And we have also used slash n after the word, which marks as whatever we need to print after this hello world, then that will be started from a new line. Every program starts with main function. Once after the main function is completed, we need to open a flower bracket and we need to use printf or scanf for printing something, and the scanf is used for accepting something. Commonly used accept sequences which we have used in printf, which can be used in printf are slash n slash t slash v slash f slash b and slash r. After the last round bracket there must be a semicolon and followed by return 0, as we have used int main. When we wrote the first line int main, we declared that main must return an integer. With the command return 0, we can return the value null to the operating system. When you return with a 0, you tell the operating system that there were no errors while running the program. It's good in practice to write the indentation, meaning we need to write the comments. Following are the topics that will be covered in the next sessions. Getting started, functions and operators, control flow constructs, strings, C processor, more on functions, etc. Thank you.